Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download TikTok app for your Windows in a very simple way. You just need to come over into a search option and going to search for Microsoft Store. After getting Microsoft Store, you just need to click on the Microsoft Store and then you will come over into the Microsoft Store home screen. And you can see there is a TikTok app from here. If you want to download it from here, you can do, but sometimes it's not shows to everyone. For that, you just need to come over into your search option and going to search for TikTok, and after that you will get an option called TikTok, and then you will get an option at the left side. You can see TikTok Get. You can make it as a full screen and click on Get. You can see it's starting your download, so it will take some minutes. For that I will fast forward the video, and you can see your download is completed and there will be a notification from the Microsoft Store. You can simply click on open. Also we can simply open it from here to the search option, find TikTok, and you can see here is a TikTok app. So after coming on this, opening it, you can see your TikTok is opened. You want to log in from your mobile phone. For that you just need to click on this Get App option and you just need to scan the QR code and you will get a download option from here. So this is how you can download TikTok app from your Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.